Ndewono. This is the Igbo tutor live. Kedu ebe ị nọ? Ị maa na ị chọrọ iso n'ime klaasị ya na-abata na klaasị ugbu a. Ebe ọ bụla ị nọ, onye nkụzi Igbo nọ ebe a ugbu a. Ya bụ na-abata. This is the Igbo tutor live. You're welcome to class, the first class for 2026. Wherever you are, you're a member of the channel. This is the time to join the class so that we can begin in earnest. There's no time to waste. So this is a live class meant for members of this channel and whoever is interested anywhere. But particularly for members of the channel, we meet every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time to, practice speaking Igbo language. We call it Igbo speaking drill. You may have been watching videos in YouTube here and there, but you need to practice what you've been learning and see how much you can comprehend the spoken Igbo language. So we are here for practical session, actually, to try speaking Igbo language and see how much you can understand that. So if you have not joined a channel membership, do well to do that, because that is the only thing that qualifies you to participate in our live classes. And for channel members, we encourage you to always come on time, and let's begin this class as early as possible so we can cover enough ground. So if you are watching the channel from our homepage, maybe it has been made public. You should know that for you to participate in our live class, you need to be a member of our channel. So the first thing to do is to join our channel membership so that you can be part of these live classes. And in live classes, we do what we call drill. We try to speak Igbo language, give you a chance to see whether you can understand what we are saying, comprehend that, and possibly make your own sentences as much as you can. So this is a practical session for Igbo speaking. So this is meant for members of the channel, but if peradventure you are seeing it in my homepage, it means maybe it has been released for the public to actually view. But if you want to participate live when it is hot and fresh, you need to join our channel membership. So I'm waiting for members of the channel to come on board so that the class can start immediately. So if you're already watching, maybe you're watching a replay, you need to be patient a little bit so we can have members of the channel join us before the class can start in full. So be patient and let's wait for those who are paid for this class to be here. They are the shareholders. So without them, there will be no live class. So we have to give them the honor that is due them. Wait for them to come on board, join the class, and then we can begin. So if you are watching a replay, be a little bit patient with us. Chere anyị obere ka anyị were nwayọọ chere ndị kwụrụ ụgwọ maka klaasị ya, ndị otu chanel anyị, ndị tinyere aka, ndị na-akwado anyị n'ụzọ dị iche iche, n'ụzọ ego na agbamume ha. Nice to see Chika come back to class. Chika, I'm happy to see you for this new year for the first time again after a very long time. Keki mere. Confirm that you are hearing me first and foremost, Chika, before others will come in. Are you hearing me loud and clear? That is the first thing we have to do. Yeah, Happy New Year. One them why. Can you hear me loud and clear? Okay. Can you hear me very clearly? Okay. Please confirm you can hear me very well. Very well. That's great. That's great. The Mandewo, Kemaka ezinụlọ gị. Let's be talking before other people will call. Kemaka ezinụlọ gị. What did I ask you? Kemaka ezinụlọ gị. What does that mean? Kemaka ezinụlọ gị. What does that mean? And give me your response. Kemaka ezinụlọ gị. Yes, I'm waiting for your response. What does that mean? What is the reply? Kemaka ezinụlọ gị. How is my family? Whoa, great. You got it. You got it. So what is your response to that? Gịnị ka ị kwesịrị isi m? Kee ọzịza ya maọbụ ọsịsa ya? Ngwa zam. Zam now. What do you say? What do you say? How do you respond to me? What is the response? Ngwa, ana m eche gị o. Ana m eche gị. Ezinụlọ m na-eme nke ọma. Whoa, this is great. Chika is on fire this new year. I kwesịrị ekweshi, you no gree. Ọ dị mma, ndewo. Ọrụkwanụ? Ọlụ gịkwanụ? Another question. Ọlụ gịkwanụ? Class is already on. Oh, this is practical session. We don't have any particular thing, but today we're going to talk about last year and this new year and what happens around us. Okay, that is basically what we're talking about today. Experience of last year, expectation of this new year. So we'll speak around that. So I ask, Orogekwan. Yes. Orogekwan. Yeah, I'm waiting for your response to that. How is work? Way, that's great. Orogekwan. How is your work? How is your work? Orogekwan. All right. Oh, Ngwanu Zam, Orogekwan. Dewo Mazin Nake. Welcome to class. No. So Chika Kabnaju gị sị ọrụ gị kwanụ. Ọrụ gị kwanụ. What is your response to that? Ọrụ gị kwanụ. Waiting for your response. Nake, no. Nake, you can also respond to the question. Class is already on. Ọrụ gị kwanụ. What should be your response to that? Ọrụ gị kwanụ. Ọrụ dị mma. Great. Maazị Clement, ndewo. Happy New Year. Okay, ọrụ dị mma. That's great. Nnake, what do you say to that question? Ọrụ gị kwanụ. Maazị Nnake. Okay, ọrụ na-aga nke ọma. Excellent. You guys are hot today. This new year is going to be better for all of us. Clement, you are in. What do you say? Ask him, ọrụ gị kwanụ. Ọrụ gị kwanụ. Yes, what do you say? Ọrụ gị kwanụ. Yes, Maazị Clement. Ọrụ ga ọfụma. Wow, you tried. Okay, but I would prefer ọrụ na-aga ọfụma. That is Nnake's response, or Chika's response is better. Ọrụ dị mma. Nnake, ọ na-aga nke ọma. Excellent. Not ọrụ ga ọfụma. No. Okay, it's not ọrụ ga. It's ongoing, continuous. Ọ na-aga, ọrụ na-aga is present continuous. Okay, except you have already finished working. You can say ọrụ gara ọfụma if you are through with work. Okay, for example, if you are through with work, you can say ọrụ gara ọfụma. Okay, let me add some other flesh to it today. Okay. Ụbọchị taa, my I should have dot under, but it's not always responding when I'm live. I don't know why. So ọrụ gara ọfụma n'ụbọchị taa. Work went well today. That is, maybe you are already done with today's work. You can use that. So I say, ana m asị onye ọbụla afọ ọhụrụ ọma, ọnwụ afọ 2026. Afọ a ga-amụtara anyị, ga-ewetara anyị ihe ọma n'aha Jizọs. What did I say? Afọ a ga-ewetara anyị ihe ọma n'aha Jizọs. What did I say? Let's go. Class is already on. Afọ, I told you we're going to talk about last year and this year, last year and expectation for this year, wishes for this year. That's what we're going to talk around now. I've already made my first sentence for today, even though we are moving on. Say, my first sentence today is, Afọ a ga-ewetara anyị ihe ọma n'aha Jesus. What did I say? Right, what I've said in English. That's our rule. Afọ a ga-ewetara anyị ihe ọma n'aha Jesus. I'm going to be talking a little bit fast, so I want to train your ear to catch it quick. So don't expect me to be repeating and drawing it for you to hear. So I will speak as normal. So pay rapt attention. Afọ a ga-ewetara anyị ihe ọma n'aha Jesus. What did I say? Let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Yes. What did I just say now? Write what I've said in English. Write it in English. Let me know those who grab what I said, the way I said it. Let's go. Who is giving it the first shot? Nake. Okay. This year will bring us good things in Jesus' name. Chika. May the year bring good things in Jesus' name. Okay. This year we bring, okay, I'm waiting for Clement before I mark the script. Yes, good effort. Good effort for all of us. Good effort. But let me hear Clement, his own version. Mr. Clement, what did you say to this? Let me hear your own version. Let's get your own version. Okay. Okay. Clement, this year we bring dash, 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 Jesus' name. Okay. That's right. That's right. That's right. Good effort. That means you didn't hear the other part or you don't know what the other part meant. Let's go. I say, afọ a ga-ewetara anyị ihe ọma n'aha Jesus. Nake got it perfect. This year will bring us good thing in Jesus' name. Excellent. 100%. Chika, may the year bring good things in Jesus' name. Anya is not there. You are in translation. Chika. Ani. Ga-ewetara anyị is we bring for us. Ga-ewetere anyị. The us is missing in Chika's translation. Us. Ga-ewetere anyị. Ihe ọma, good thing, correct, is there. N'aha Jesus. That's perfect. Okay. This year. I didn't say may this year. I say this year. For. That is why Nake got it 100%. Clement said this year we bring dash, dash, dash. He doesn't know Ihoma. Ihoma, good thing. He missed that out. If you are in the class and you have not dropped your greetings, please do that so we can recognize your presence and then wish you Happy New Year. All right, let's go. Ogini, kedu otu ihe mere n'afọ gara aga nke dị gị mma karịsịa? Kedu otu ihe mere n'afọ gara aga nke dị gị mma karịsịa? This is a little bit long. Let's see. Okay. Kedu otu ihe mere n'afọ gara aga nke dị gị mma karịsịa? Long sentence, but let's see who will decode it. Kedu otu ihe mere n'afọ gara aga nke dị gị mma karịsịa? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Who will decode this? Who will crack this? Who will crack it for us? Yes, let's go. Let's go there. Who will crack this for us? Who will crack this for us? Okay. Waiting for the first person to give it a trial. Yes. Who is giving it a trial? Give it a trial. Push. Give it a push. You might get it right. You might get it right. Give it a trial. Yes. Give it a try. Waiting for you. Drop it. Drop the translation. And let's go. Yeah, Chika is giving it a shot first. Okay, good effort. Good effort. That is actually what the test is meant for. Just to try and see whether you can grab what is said as a normal conversation, not only when they are talking to you and they are trying to help you to understand. People will just talk and pass. They won't wait for you. So you have to be very, very attentive. Oh, Ezenwa. Wow, Ezenwa, no. Miss you long time. Okay. The sentence is, listen now. Kedu otu ihe mere n'afọ gara aga nke dị gị mma karịsịa? Kedu otu ihe mere n'afọ gara aga nke dị gị mma karịsịa? Let's go. Ezenwa, don't ask me to repeat again. No, that's the last one. Because I want to train your ear to hear fast. Grab what is said on the go. Mhm. Okay, I've had you. I've got your reply. I'm waiting for Nake. I'm waiting for Clement. What are you guys doing? Chika has already dropped her own. Ezenwa has dropped her own. What are you people waiting for? Yes, let's go. Let's go there. Mm-hmm. Nake, where are you? Clement, where are you? Okay, Clement is in. Okay. Okay. Am I me? Oh, wow. Nake, you disappoint me. Oh, you fall my hand. Nake, you really fall my hand here. But anyway, I forgive you. Let's go. Chika came in first. What happened last year at Christmas? I didn't mention Christmas at all. I said, Kedu otu ihe mere n'afọ gara aga dị gị mma karịsịa? I didn't mention Christmas. My hands are up. Okay. And then Princess followed suit and said, what did you do for Christmas last year? Never. I never mentioned Christmas. Clement said, what thing did you do? Did you do good during the Christmas? Nsogbu. I bought him Christmas. Now let me write it in Igbo. That will help. Kedu. I know you guys will always get it when it is written. That's why what I want to shift your mind from. Listen attentively, pick it on the go. Kedu otu ihe mere n'afọ gara aga nke this should have dot under the I. Dị gị mma. So forgive me if there is no dot under it. My system didn't accept that. I know this this sentence is very long. Kedu otu ihe mere n'afọ gara aga nke dị gị mma karịsịa? This is what I said. So now I've written it. I know most of you are going to get it better now. So repeat your translation. Repeat your translation. Now it is written. Repeat your translation because all of you failed it. So repeat your translation now that I've written it. Because I know most of you are very good at written words, but poor at spoken words. Yes. Let's go. Kedu otu ihe mere n'afọ gara aga dị gị mma karịsịa? Yes. A shot now. Better shot now. Let's go there. Who is giving it a better try at this time? Chika, where are you? Nake, now you should know better. I know you are always better at written words. Yes, let's go. Mm-hmm. Clement, you can do better now. Princess, you can do better now. Ngwan. Yes. No response here. Are you still typing? What are you waiting for? Let's do it. I know the sentence is long, but now that I've written it, it should be better understood. Mm-hmm. Okay, Dr. Blahi, welcome. Okay, Dr. Blahi has given it a shot. Happy New Year, Doctor. Ọnwụ afọ ọhụrụ. Ka afọ ọhụrụ gaziere anyị n'aha Jizọs. Chika. Mm-hmm. Good trial. Good trial. Nake has already answered already. I think he was the first one that dropped his own. Mhm. Nnake came in first, followed by Dr. Blahi, followed by Chika, followed by Princess. Where is Emehe? Clement, where are you? Emehe is in. Okay, what one thing the year went great last year? Good effort. Let me begin from Nnake. What was the best thing that happened last year? Okay, that what was the best thing? Okay, okay, good effort that happened last year. You got better, a great part of it. Abdullah, what new thing happened to last year? Not near. Chika, what is one thing that happened last year that you like? Ooh, almost 90%. What is one thing? Otu ihe. Kedu otu ihe? What is one thing that happened last year? Mere n'afọ gara aga. Correct. Up to that point. That happened last year that you like. Nke dị gị mma that you like. Up to that point. Correct. But karisia, okay, you have gotten the point. That you like most. Chika, you are hot today. Honestly, you are hot. That you like most. They give makarisia. That is another level of liking something. The most highest level. Karisia. They give makarisia that you like most. Chika. I give it to you. So Chika got it with the last correction she made. She got it perfectly well. Chika is the winner here. I give you your flowers, Chika. Yes, 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 yes. You are the one that won this one. Yes, you got it done, dusted. Okay. So, Chika, well done, well done. What are the emojis for you? So I salute Chika for this one. This is to Chika. Okay. Let me read what she wrote again. She wrote, what is one thing, kedo otu ihe, that's what I wrote, that happened last year, mere n'afọ gara aga, mere n'afọ gara aga, that happened last year, nke dị gị mma karịsịa, that you like most. Chika, excellent. So that is the answer. Chika got it right. That is the winner this time. Chika is the winner in this round. Nake won the other side, the other round. Chika won this one. Let's see how it goes. Who is going to be the overall winner here? All right, let's go. You are going to reply with, you are going to answer this question by yourself in Igbo language. Think of one thing. Say, this is what happened. If, whether you are travel to the village or whatever happened, you visit to a parent or a friend or whatever you have done that you like most last year, the type of food you ate, whatever it is, just tell us. No. So just tell us what particular thing that happened last year that you like most in your own language. You choose your own answer, but write it in Igbo language, whatever it is. I traveled to the village. I ate a special food. I visited a friend. Whatever it is, I cook a special meal. I went on picnic. Whatever it is, write your own. Okay, Princess, Ngara Lagos, Onwa Garaga. Wow, that's great. I didn't know you came to Lagos. You didn't want me to know, so that I will not come and ask for Christmas gift. It's okay. It's well, oh. Okay, let's go. Yes, somebody has written. I'm waiting for the other people to respond in Igbo language. Tell us what is the most thing that you like. One particular event that you like most last year during the Christmas or New Year celebration. Somebody has written, one person has responded. Make sure you are responding in Igbo language, not in English. Okay, let's go. Got one response. Onye sịrị, m gara Lagos n'ọnwa gara aga. Excellent. I went to Lagos last month. Ngwa, let's go. Let's have your own response. Ngwa o, ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Let's move. Let's move. Let's go there. Yes, 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 yes. Waiting for your response. Waiting for you, waiting for you, waiting for you. Only one person has spoken. What are the rest waiting for? Ngwa, let's go there. Are you there? What are you waiting for? What is holding you? One person has said something. What are the rest doing? I am waiting. I am waiting. I am waiting. Okay, Naka is in. So we got two responses. Who else? Who else is replying us? Wow, Nake, that's good. That's true. I remember. Alụrụ m nwunye n'afọ gara aga. Excellent. I married last year. Ooh, these two answers are wonderful. Chika, agara m Atlanta ileta ezinụlọ m. Whoa, great. Agara m Atlanta ileta ezinụlọ m. Great. Three answers. Remaining Emehe and Dr. Ablahi. Yes, Emehe is in. Anyị were na ezinụlọ graduation maka mahadum. My cousin, okay. My cousin, just like you're saying my cousin, my cousin, but you should reverse the order. Cousin, mu, okay, not my cousin, okay. Anyị were na ezinụlọ graduation maka mahadum, okay. I think you maybe you want to say we had graduation ceremony in our family. Anyị nwere emume ịpụta ụlọ akwụkwọ mahadum. Let me write it, Clement. Anyị nwere ememe mpụta na mahadum. Anyị nwere ememe mpụta na mahadum n'ezinụlọ anyị. Okay. So I'm correcting Clement because what he wrote is not good, very good at all. So I think this is what you want to say. Anyị nwere ememe mpụta mahadum n'ezinụlọ anyị. We had graduation ceremony from university or university graduation ceremony in our family. All right. Dr. Blahi, Mary birthday. Mary birthday. Okay. Mary. I think Dr. Blahi should be E because the verb that follows Mary has heavy vowel. So it should start with E, not A. It should be Mary birthday. Mary birthday. I did my birthday. Okay. That is what it should be. I'm correcting Dr. Ablahi. Okay. Emerem. But I will not write birthday. Birthday is ncheta omumum. We don't have birthday is not Igbo. Emerem ncheta omumum. I did remembrance of my birth. Okay. Ncheta omumum, that is our birthday. Emerem ncheta omumum. This is for Dr. Abdullahi. I hope you get the correction. Emerem ncheta omumum. Heavy vowels start with E. If the verb is heavy vowel, you start with E, not A. Emerem. Okay, because Mary has heavy vowels in it. Right? Dr. Abdullahi, are you with me? Emerem ncheta omumum. Okay, let me go through the answers and see those that doesn't need any correction at all. I think I've mentioned them earlier. Who are they? Got first is Princess. Ngara Lagos. Nomagaraga. Nothing to correct. Excellent. Nnake. Alụrụ m nwunye n'afọ gara aga. Excellent. Nothing to correct. I married last year. You must also be looking and be learning from what other people wrote. Okay, I'm translating them. Alụrụ m nwunye n'afọ gara aga. I married or I got married. I married a wife last year. Chika. Agara m Atlanta ileta ezinụlọ m. I went to Atlanta to visit or see or visit my family. Excellent one. Then Clement, I've done your correction. Dr. Blahi, I've done your correction. All right, let's go. Ọ dị mma. Ihe ole jọrọ njọ karịa n'afọ gara aga? Ihe ole jọrọ njọ karịa n'afọ gara aga? Ihe ole jọrọ njọ karịa n'afọ gara aga? I have said it all. Go ahead, translate. I will not repeat it again. Let me see those who have sharp ears. Princess, you have jumped and said, "I am quick like this." What happened? Are you answering me or you are translating what I said? Ihe ole jọrọ njọ karịa n'afọ gara aga? Are you translating or you are saying you don't know what I said? Or you are answering me that question because it's a question? Which one are you doing? I don't know the meaning. Okay. That's okay. Let's wait and see if anybody will attempt it. Let me repeat it again. Ihe ole jọrọ njọ karịa n'afọ gara aga? Let's see if anybody will try it. Any trier? Anybody trying it out? Waiting. Give it a trial. Give it a shot. I know you can. You are able. You are able to do that. Don't forget to give live class a thumbs up. If you think you are learning something here, give it a thumbs up as we progress. Hit the like button. I don't know whether it's below or above your screen. Yes. Anybody trying this out? Anybody trying it out? Ihe ole jọrọ njọ karịa n'afọ gara aga? Nake. Great one. Great one. Wow, great one. I love that. Nake, big ups, big ups. Chika, good one, good one. Clement, good effort. Good effort. Dr. Blahi, where are you? Drop your response. Make a trial. Just try. Yes. Just try to say something. Yeah, Dr. Blahi, I'm waiting for you. You are the only one remaining now. Princess has said, Amayim, Nake is in, Chika is in, Clement is in. I'm waiting for Dr. Blahi. Yes. Let's go. Doctor, are you still on your way? First, let me write what I've said. Let me write out the text. Why I'm waiting for Dr. Bly. All right, Dr. Bly, I've got your response. That's good. Try her. Okay. Okay, this is a question actually. Ihe ole jọrọ njọ karịa n'afọ gara aga? Okay, let's review the answers. Princess, do you have any opinion now? Now that it is written. Any idea? Princess? Want to say something now? Drop your response. But let's look at why I'm waiting for Princess to drop her response. Let me look at what is said already, what is said. The first person to answer is Nake. What is the worst thing that happened last year? Okay. Actually, I didn't put that happened. Ihe ole jọrọ njọ karịa n'afọ gara aga. I didn't put happened. It should be what was the worst thing last year? What was the worst thing last year? But I gave it to Nake. He got what is the worst thing. Okay. The only thing is that happened is not there. I didn't put happened. I only said ihe ole jọrọ njọ karịa n'afọ gara aga. So jọrọ njọ karịa is worst thing, the worst. Okay. Ọ jọrọ njọ is bad. But jọrọ njọ karịa is worse. So Nake, I give you thumbs up here. Good effort, good comprehension. So what is the worst thing last year? Chika wrote worse than last year. You didn't remember to put ihe ole. What is the worst? What? Ihe ole. What thing? So Nake is the winner here. Okay. How much worse than last year? Not really. I say ihe ole, not in terms of price. It is what thing? Ihe ole, a thing. Okay. And Clement got it from beginning when he said what thing, not things, ihe ole. Okay. That are bad. Okay. Not bad. Joronjo carrier is worse. Njo, joronjo is bad. Okay. But joronjo carrier, once you hear carrier, we did it in the first sentence. We say, the game carrier, okay, you love most. Then when it is worst, it is carrier. Okay. So it's not how much. Okay. Chica is not how much. It is worst. What thing, what the particular thing that was worse in your experience last year. Okay. Now share your experience. What was the last thing? The worst thing. You have already shared your best thing that happened to you last year. What was your worst experience? Anything that you don't like that happened last year? What was that? If there is any. What was your worst experience? One particular thing, just one thing that you don't like that happened last year, which you wish should not happen again this year. What was that? Let's go. Remember, write in Igbo. Let's go. We've written the best thing that happened to us, the best experience we had. Now, what was the worst? What was that particular thing that happened that you don't like last year? Remember to write it in Igbo language. Let's go. Write your sentence. Form your own sentence now. You did very well in the other part, the thing that you like most that happened. What was that thing that you don't like that happened last year? One thing. Ngwa ka ikwu ya ọsịsọ. Gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? What is that? Ọ bụ gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? What is that? Nnake is in. Amaghị m ihe ọjọọ ọbụla sitere n'afọ gara aga n'aha Jizọs. Ị maghị ọ ị chọghị. Okay. Amaghị m ihe ọjọọ ọbụla. Okay. It's either you don't experience or you don't know or you don't wish. What you said is amaghị, I don't know any bad thing. Okay. Okay. From last year. Sitere n'afọ gara aga. That's good. Good effort from Nnake. Yes. Any other trier? Any other one person trying this? Anybody trying this out? Yes. Make a sentence with one bad thing, worst experience that you passed through last year. One particular event. Any other person trying that out? Yes. Chika, Princess, what do you say? What do you say? Clement, what do you say? Dr. Blahi, what do you say? I got only one response from Nnake. What are you guys doing? Ngwa, let's go. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Let's move forward. Ana m eche unu o. I'm waiting for you people o. Anaghị m echeta ihe ọjọọ ọbụla sitere n'afọ gara aga. Okay, I'm not okay. Enyi m gwara m ihe dị njọ. Woo, great. I like that from Chika. Excellent sentence. Excellent sentence from Chika. Excellent sentence from Chika. All right, any other person coming in here? Excellent sentence from Chika. Short but very perfect sentence. Clement. Enyi m kubiere gara aga. Enyi m kubiere gara aga. Okay, I'll try to understand what you mean, Clement. I will try to understand that. Where is Princess? Princess, are you still there? Dr. Blahi, are you there? Waiting for your response. Yes, let's go. Princess, Dr. Blahi. Clement, what do you mean? MA2 means what? Enyem kubiere garaga. What do you mean? I didn't understand your sentence. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. So what do you want to write? Mana okuwo ndom. Okay. Prince Amichika. I think he was trying to say, but he says sorry. He pleaded for, he says sorry to me. Is that what you mean? So that I will know how to correct it. Chika. Is that what you mean? Princess, are you still here? Ezenwa, are you still here? You don't want to share with us what happened, what one bad thing experienced last year? Chika, you want to say, but he says sorry to me. Is that what you mean? Please confirm so that I will know how to correct that sentence. Yeah, that's great. Okay. Some of you have not been able to give us a thumbs up for this class. Please hit the like button if you think you are learning something here. Encourage us. All right, let's see. Let me begin with Nnake. You wrote, amaghị m ihe ọjọọ ọbụla sitere n'afọ gara aga. Like saying, I don't know any bad thing from last year. From last year, in Jesus' name. Good one. You came again to write, anaghị m echeta ihe ọjọọ ọbụla sitere n'afọ gara aga. I'm not remembering any bad thing from last year. In Jesus' name. Okay? It's all right. If you say you're not remembering, that's fine. But sometimes it's good to remember so that you can know how to forge ahead in the next year, avoid those problems and those mistakes. It's just a matter of taking account of what will pass through. Now let's go to Chika. Enyim gwaram ihe dị njọ. My friend told me something bad. I like that sentence. Enyim gwaram ihe dị njọ. My friend says something bad to me. Excellent, Chika. But your second version is not okay, where you said mana okwuwo ndom. That's not how to write it. It should be mana. I prefer you say mana orioro or osrimdo. That is better than okuwo, the way you wrote it. Mana osirim. My I here should have dot under them, please. Osirimundo. Okay, you can put it this way. Mana osirimundo. Okay. Not okwuo, not okwuo ndom, mana ọ sịrị m ndo. Okay. You can also say mana. You can also say mana. Or riorom. Please, my I here should have dot under it. Or rioro. Or riorombara. There is another word that would be useful there. Mana or riorombara, but he pleaded for my forgiveness. But he pleaded for my forgiveness. Mana oriorum mbayara. He pleaded for forgiveness or my forgiveness. First part is mana oriorum osirimundo, but he says sorry to me. The other part is, but he pleaded for forgiveness, for my forgiveness. Oriorum mbayara. Is that okay, Chika and the rest of us? Are we learning from that? Then Clement say, Enyim kubiere garaga. He now say that he's talking about death. So I think he want to say, my friend gave up the ghost. Okay. Enyim kubiri. It's not kubere. It should be kubiri. It's kubiri. Kubiri. Ume. Okay. Kubiri ume na fogaraga. This is better way to write it. Enyim kubiri ume. Ume is the breath. The breath. Breathing. If you say okubiri ume, you stop breathing, and that's death. Okay, you can say onwuru. Enyim nwuru n'afọ gara aga. My friend died, but you want to use that kubiri ume is stop breathing or passed on. That is kubiri ume. The breathing stopped. That is kubiri ume. Okay, so ume is a breath. Right, n'afọ gara aga. Okay, you can also simplify it by saying enyim nwuru. That is also a perfect one. Enyim nwuru. Okay. Nwụrụ n'afọ gara aga. I doubt if Princess Ezenwa is still in the class. I doubt so. She's not responding again. Enyi m nwụrụ n'afọ gara aga. So this is a past tense. Nwụrụ is the past tense of nwụọ. That is death. Is dead. It's the past tense. Okay. I believe Mr. Clement is getting what I'm doing. Clement, please confirm if you get my correction. Chika, also confirm if you got my corrections. Chika, can you confirm if my corrections are taken? Chika. Right. While waiting for Chika for that, if you've not given us a thumbs up, please do. Let's go to this year. Gịnị bụ olileanya gị n'afọ a? Gịnị bụ olileanya gị n'afọ a? That is the sentence. Let's go. What did I say? Right, what I've just said in English. Let's go there. Let's go there. We are done with last year. Gịnị bụ olileanya gị n'afọ a? Gịnị bụ olileanya gị n'afọ a? Let's go. Let's go there. Ngwan. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Who is dropping it first? Write what I've just said in English. Translate it. Ngwan. Let me see who gets that first. Chika and Nnake are competing. Oh, thank God, Princess is still here. Thank God she's still here. All right, you're welcome back. Because I thought you have run away. All right. Okay. Any other response I got from Princess? I got from Clement. Where is Nnake? Where is Chika? Where is Mehe? Where is Dr. Blahi? Clement is in. I made a sentence, you wrote a word. It's not a single word, it should be a sentence. Ngwa ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Okay. Clement has written a sentence. Okay. Okay. You are saying what that is what you're supposed to use, not what do you see. I think that's what you mean. All right. Where is Nake? Where is Chika? Where is Emehe? Okay, Emehe has written Chika, Nake, Dr. Blai. Where are you? Waiting for you. Do remember to give us a thumbs up for this class. Hit the like button. Don't know whether it's down or up. Oh, yes. 2 people have responded. Okay, Chika is in. Chika is in. Where is Nake? And Dr. Blai? Yes. Where is Nake and Dr. Ablahi? Okay, Nake is in. Osimbiko Deya. Ken Kemnede? Or this one or the other or the previous one? Okay. Okay. Maybe this one. That means you are giving up already. So you are giving up. But before I write, okay, let me write before I do correction. My I here should have dot under them, please. Keyboard is not accepting it here. All right. This is the write-up. Let me see those who got it right. Princess wrote, what? Okay. Princess wrote, what do you hope for this year? Excellent. Excellent. Olilanya is hope or expectation. That is Olilanya. What is your expectation or what do you hope for this year? Princess, thumbs up to you. Clement, what do you see in the new year? Afua is not this new year. This year, Afua, this year. Okay. And then Chika wrote, what are you looking to see this year? Okay. Olilanya is not actually looking to see, but the expectation. What do you expect? Or what do you hope for? That is better, not just looking to see. It's not a literal seeing. Olilanya is not seeing literally, it's figurative, it's expectation. Okay? That is talking to Chika now. And then Nake did not write anything. So I don't know. I assume he doesn't know it. So go ahead and write your expectation this year. The best thing you expect to happen this year for you. Wish yourself that best thing now in Igbo language. Let's go there. That should be our last sentence for today. Write what you wish that will happen, the best you're expecting, best expectation you have for this year. Let's go. Write it in Igbo language. Let's go there. Let's go. Write the best you're expecting this year in Igbo language. Let's see how much you can do that. Okay, Nake. You're always looking for money. Money never reaches you. Nake. Anyway, you are newly married. You need a lot of money to take care of woman in US. It's not easy. The Peking is still coming. Peking never come. Better prepare well. When Peking come, you go no. More Peking. More children, more wahala. Okay. That's good. Nake is in. What does the other people say? Yes, what do you say? I got that from Nake. First response. What other things are you guys saying? Chika, Princess, Dr. Blahi, Clement. What are you saying? Drop in your response quickly. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Wow. I'm happy today that network allows us to have our class without interruption. That gives me some joy and satisfaction. Unlike these guys in Nigeria here, frustrating everybody. So, yeah, I'm waiting for you guys. Let's go. Princess is in. Olileanya m inwe obi ụtọ. Yeah, ụtọ is not spelled well. You don't have Igbo keyboard again. Princess, your ụtọ spelling is not correct in Igbo, except you don't have Igbo keyboard again. That ụtọ is not correct. Okay, Chika. Okay. Oh, that's great. Great expectation from Chika there. Clement. Wow, Clement, plenty of expectation from you. Dr. Bly, where are you? Okay, let me address them one by one as we round off. Nakese ikpata nnukwu ego, to get plenty money. Plenty money. I know you for that. Ikpata nnukwu ego. That's God. God will give you money in Jesus' name. Princess, Olileanya m, you missed out something. You're supposed to put bo. Okay? You're supposed to put bo. Princess, Olileanya m bo. You have to put it to make that sentence complete. Olileanya m bo inwe gịnị? Obi ụtọ. That is what I was talking about. The ụtọ should have dot under them. Okay. Olileanya m bụ inwe obi ụtọ. That is Princess. Chika, achọrọ m ide akwụkwọ mbụ m n'afọ. I want to write my first book this year. Excellent. God will give you strength and wisdom to do it in Jesus' name. Okay, Princess, God will give you joy and everything that follows it. And the thing that will make you joyful is going to come, including that one. That one. You know the one I'm talking about. It's going to happen this year. I don't want to say it here. And then Clement, achọrọ m ndo na aṅụrị. Maybe you want to write udo, which is peace. So Clement, I think you are talking about peace. Not ndo, is udo. Achọrọ m udo na. Not unria, but rather is aṅụrị. That is the noun form of it. Unria is the verb form. Okay, Clement. Achọrọ m udo. Okay. Na aṅụrị. When you want to write plenty, up to 3 words, you just use comma. You don't use na, plenty, in one sentence. Even in English, it's not allowed. So you have to use comma to separate it. Achọrọ m udo, aṅụrị, then na. Ọganiru. Ọganiru. Oh, you are seeing, there is even something at the back. We never reach where we go put na. You see, put ihe niile. Ọganiru before we put na. Ihe niile. Okay. That is for Clement. Achọrọ m udo, aṅụrị, ọganiru, na ihe niile. That is for Clement. Okay. Chika, you say, I mean to say, I want to finish writing. Okay. But you wrote, achọrọ m ide akwụkwọ mbụ m n'afọ a. So if it is, I want to finish writing, it has to be, okay, it has to be, achọrọ m Idecha. Okay. Idecha is to finish writing. Talking to Chika now. Akwụkwọ mbụ m n'afọ a. Okay, Chika, that is your last correction. Achọrọ m idecha akwụkwọ mbụ m. I want to finish writing. So finish writing is idecha. Okay, idecha ya, finish writing it. Okay, imecha ya, finish doing it. Okay, I hope I've been able to attend to everybody's sentences, and I believe you have learned all from this. If you've enjoyed today's class, you think you have learned something, give me your emoji, give us your super sticker, chat, and Happy New Year to everybody. Praying that as you support me in this channel and in all I do throughout last year, it is you that made me to, be active and be involved in what I do. This gives me joy to do it. It's not just about the money. This is what I delight in doing. But you have made it possible for me to do it over the years. Some of you have been with me for more than 1 year. God will bless you. God will prosper all you do. The little money you are giving here and there, they've gone a long way to sustain the channel, sustain me even financially, and then help me to do a lot. Okay, reward me for my effort. So I appreciate all of you. I pray that wherever you're getting all these things from, it will not lack in Jesus' name. And this new year, God will lift you to a higher ground, bless your work, bless your family. And then those of you who are looking up to God for marriages, husband or wife, you're going to get the best one out there in Jesus' name. Favor will locate you this new year. This new year will be a new year of blessing and favor and progress and success for all of us in Jesus' name. So I appreciate you guys. It's nice being with you for this new year. We hope that this new year we will learn together, as friends, as usual, and colleagues and partners in one way or the other. And at the end of the day, we'll have a reason to glorify God. So I thank you all for your support as always. Chika, thank you for coming back this year. We miss you for a greater part of last year, but thank God you are back now. Ezenwa, thank you for always being there, Princess. Nake, you have always been there, both in live class, in private class, you've always been there. Clement, thank you for your support. As always, Dr. Blahi, appreciate everyone. Who have I not mentioned their name? All of you, you are great people, wonderful people. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for everything you do for me and for the channel. See you next Saturday, God willing. Kemesia. Bye. Okay.